Hello everyone. Now the sum number 6.12. Suppose the annual employer 401k cost per participant is normally distributed with the standard deviation of 625, but the mean is unknown. Right? In this case, the mean is unknown, so you have to find out the value of the mean. Question 1. If 73.89% of such costs are greater than 1700, what is the mean annual employer 401k cost per participant? 401k cost per participant, that is the name of one scheme for the employee. So that is not the worry for you. Now simply you have to focus over finding out the value of the mean. 6.12 standard deviation 625, mu you don't know. First case, 73.89% cost are greater than $1700, right? It means if I'm drawing out the normal distribution curve, my x will lies over here because 73% values are more than x, right? So 73% value x કરતાં મોટી હોય તો x definitely left hand side આવે. So 0.7389 minus આપણે આ 0.5 ને અહીંયાથી ડિડક્ટ કરી દઈએ છે. So 0.2389 આટલી અમાઉન્ટ કેટલી હશે? 0.2389. Again we will check the reverse value from the table. 0.2389, yes, it lies over here, so it is 0.64, right? But it is lies on the left side, so minus 0.64. Z equals to x minus mu upon standard deviation. Minus 0.64 equals to 1700, x minus mu is unknown, standard deviation 625, right? If you are solving this, you will get the mu value of the mu, that is 2100. Now second, suppose the mean annual employer 401k cost per participant is 2258. This time mean value is given and the standard deviation is 625. If the costs are normally distributed, 31.56% of the cost are greater than what value? 31.56% વેલ્યુ કઈ વેલ્યુ કરતાં મોટી હશે એ તમારે ચેક કરવાનું છે. So mu equals to 2258, standard deviation 625. You have to find 31.6% of values are greater than what value, right? So કઈ વેલ્યુ કરતાં એ ગ્રેટર છે એ તમારે ચેક કરવાનું છે, રાઈટ? સો ડેફિનેટલી 31% જ ખાલી વેલ્યુ ગ્રેટર છે. ઇટ મીન્સ કે ઇટ વિલ બી લાઈઝ ઓવર હિયર. સી 31% વેલ્યુ જ ખાલી તમારા કરતાં મોટી છે એટલે એક્સ તમારો રાઇટ હેન્ડ સાઈડ આવશે, રાઈટ? ઇફ you have to now deduct from 0.5 because table will only give you the value from mu to x. આટલી વેલ્યુ 0.3158 છે, તો આટલી વેલ્યુ તમારે ચેક કરવાની છે by deducting from 0.5. So it is 0.1844. So see, this is your normal distribution table. Again we will check the reverse value. 0.1844 lies over here. It is the value between 0.48, matlab 0.48, but as it is lies on the right side, you will make the sign of the plus. 0.48. Z equals to x minus mu upon standard deviation. 0.48 equals to x minus 2258 upon 625. So if you are solving this, you will get the value of the x as a 2558. Now sum number 6.13. Based on the annual driving of 15,000 miles and fuel efficiency of 20 mpg, a car in the United States uses on an average 750 gallons, it is your mu, of gasoline per year if annual automobile fuel usage is normally distributed, and if 29.12% cars in the United States use less than 500 gallons. Only 29% values are less than your 500 gallons, that is your x. So what will be the standard deviation? Here x is given, mu is given, right? Now only and only missing value is the standard deviation. So 6.13, mu equals to 750, standard deviation is unknown, x is 500, right? So definitely this is your normal distribution curve. Mu is 750, x will be lies on the left hand side. They have said that 29.12% values are less than your 500, right? It means this area is 29.12%. So 0.5 minus 0.2912, so 0.2088. Again you have to check this value from the table, but in the reverse order. So see, this is your table, 0.2088. Yes, it lies over here. It is the 0.55, but z will be in the terms of minus value because it lies on the left hand side. So again z equals to x minus mu upon standard deviation. Minus 0.55 equals to 500 minus 750 upon standard deviation. So minus 0.55 standard deviation equals to minus 250. Standard deviation will be 454.545. Now sum number 6.14. The US national average door-to-door wait time for the patient to see the doctor is now 21.3 minutes. Suppose such wait time are normally distributed with a standard deviation of 6.7 minutes. Some patients will have to wait much longer than the mean to see the doctor. In fact, based on this information, 3% of the patients still have to wait more than how many minutes to see a doctor? 6.14, mu equals to 21.3, standard deviation 6.7 minutes, right? They have said that some of the patient have to wait more, right? Greater, longer time. So here is your mu, here will be your x because they have to wait more. 3% of the patients still have to wait more than how many minutes, right? 3% patient have to wait. It means it is the 3%. So 0.5 minus 0.03, 0.47. So your 0.47 lies over here, that is the 1.89. So as it is on the right side, z value will be plus. Z equals to x minus mu upon standard deviation. 1.89 equals to x minus 21.3 upon 6.7. So this is your answer. X equals to 33.96. Now sum number 6.15. Some commute times in the large city are normally distributed that 62.5% of the commuters in the city takes more than 21 minutes to commute one way. If the standard deviation of such commute is 6.2 minutes, what is the mean commute? You have to find the value of the mu. Standard deviation 6.2, mean is unknown. Then 62.5% commutes take more than 21 minutes. So this is your chart. 62% are more than your x. So 0.625 minus 0.5. So 0.125. So see, this is your table. 0.125, 0.32. Z will be 0.32 but minus. So see, this is your Z, 0.32. Now I have put over here Z equals to minus 0.32, x is 21, mu is unknown, standard deviation is 6.2. Now if you are solving out this, mu value will be 22.984. Now the last sum number 6.16. According to the Student Monitor, a New Jersey research firm, the average cumulative college student loan debt for graduating the senior is 25,760. This is your mu. Assume that the standard deviation of such student loan debt is 5684. This is your standard deviation. 30% of these graduating seniors own more than what amount? Right? You have to find that value. 6.16. Sum number 6.16. Mu equals to 25,760. Standard deviation 5684. They have said that 30% of graduating seniors own more than what value? More than what value? Right, 30% of values are more, so definitely it will be lie on the right hand side, because only 30% values are more. So you have to check this value. So 0.5 minus 0.3, so 0.20. So see, this is our table. 0.20, it lies over here. 0.53 plus 0.53. Z equals to plus 0.53. Z equals to x minus mu upon standard deviation. 0.53 equals to x minus 25,760 upon 5684. So if we are solving out this, you will get the answer of 28,740.69. So that is about your normal distribution.